water is deeper this way. Follow me closely.
I'm trying. Just watch the staff placement.
Look, I see the clearing up ahead.
By Jove, look at this. These items are nearly 100 years old.
The path through the glade should lead us closer.
Wait, look at this. The prophecy is true. What is going on?
Hold on, something massive is coming.
We need to get out of here.
The cave walls are covered in phosphorescent fungi.
Get back!
It's incredible. I've never seen anything like it.
Welcome to the Hidden Valley, Elias.
Look at this. It's magnificent. It looks dangerous, Elias. Perhaps, but it's the only way.